Welcome to today's video about the benefits of eating garlic at night. Have you ever wondered if something in your kitchen could help improve your health, especially at night? What if I told you that this small clove of garlic could be your secret to better health? Imagine lowering your blood pressure, boosting your immune system, and even improving your love life all while you sleep. But how much garlic should you eat? Should it be raw or cooked? And what's the best way to take it? In today's video, we're going to explore the nighttime benefits of garlic. From ancient remedies to modern science, we'll see how this strong-smelling little clove can change your health for the better. Stick with us as we uncover the truth about eating garlic at night. You might find a good reason to make garlic a part of your nightly routine. Ready to learn the secrets? Alright, let's jump into the many benefits of eating garlic at night, starting with our first point. It boosts immune function. Eating garlic at night takes advantage of its high allicin content, a compound known to improve immune function. When garlic is crushed or chewed, allicin is released, which helps fight infections. A study published in the Journal of Immunology Research in 2015 showed how allicin boosts immune cells, especially those that protect against colds and infections. Garlic also has sulfur compounds that act as antioxidants, supporting the immune system by fighting off stress that weakens your body's defenses. This makes garlic a simple yet effective choice for strengthening your immune health at night. Next, let's talk about how garlic lowers blood pressure. Garlic doesn't just rely on allicin, it also contains other compounds like diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine, which help relax your blood vessels. This relaxation improves blood flow and eases the pressure on your heart. A study in the Trends in Pharmacological Sciences in 2018 found that these compounds help produce hydrogen sulfide and nitric oxide, both important for widening blood vessels. Think of it as turning a high-pressure hose into a gentle stream, giving your heart a much-needed break. Eating garlic at night could be a simple way to keep your blood pressure in check. Just remember, garlic is a supplement, not a replacement for prescribed medications. Moving on to the next benefit. Garlic improves cholesterol levels. Garlic's effect on cholesterol is interesting because it's not just allicin that helps. Other compounds like S-allylcysteine and diallyl disulfide also play a role. These compounds work to reduce cholesterol production in the liver, which is where a lot of cholesterol is made. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2001 showed that garlic can help clear cholesterol from the bloodstream. What does this mean for you? Adding garlic to your nightly routine could help your body manage cholesterol more effectively, which is important for heart health and preventing related diseases. Now, let's talk about garlic's anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic is known for its ability to fight inflammation, and it's not just allicin that's doing the work. Diallyl disulfide, another key compound, has been shown to block inflammatory pathways in the body. This was detailed in a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2019. These compounds work together to reduce inflammation by blocking certain enzymes and signals that cause inflammation. Think of garlic as sending a calming message to your body's overactive immune response. This natural approach makes garlic an effective way to reduce inflammation, especially when eaten at night. Next up, garlic detoxifies heavy metals in the body. Garlic's ability to cleanse the body of heavy metals like lead and cadmium is quite impressive. When we eat garlic, not only allicin but also sulfur-containing amino acids help reduce the harmful effects of these metals. Research, such as a study published in Basic and Clinical Pharmacology and Toxicology in 2012, shows how these sulfur compounds bind with heavy metals, reducing their concentration in vital organs and blood. For example, a 4-week clinical trial found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. This isn't just about numbers, it's about real impact. For people exposed to industrial pollution or contaminated water, garlic can be a simple way to support the body's detoxification process. Next, garlic improves bone health. Eating garlic at night could be an easy way to boost your bone health. Garlic is rich in nutrients like vitamins B6 and C, manganese, selenium, and other antioxidants, not just allicin. These nutrients are important for keeping bones strong. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2011 found that garlic oils significantly reduced bone loss in rats with estrogen deficiency, which is a common cause of osteoporosis in humans. This suggests that garlic could help with bone health, especially for postmenopausal women who are at higher risk of osteoporosis. The antioxidants in garlic also help fight oxidative stress, which can speed up bone loss. So by adding garlic to your nightly routine, you're not just adding flavor to your meal, you're also helping to keep your bones healthy and strong. Now let's talk about how garlic aids digestion. Garlic, known for its unique flavor, is also great for digestive health, especially when eaten at night. It's full of compounds like fructans and saponins that support gut health. These natural ingredients help the growth of good bacteria in the gut, which is important for digestion and overall gut health. A study published in 2022 highlighted garlic's role in balancing gut flora, which is key to preventing digestive disorders. Eating garlic at night allows it to work on your digestive system while you sleep. During this time, garlic's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, as noted in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2021, actively fight harmful bacteria and soothe your digestive tract. This not only helps digestion but also improves nutrient absorption. Next, garlic improves sleep quality. Eating garlic at night might help you get better sleep. It's not just about allicin. Garlic is packed with beneficial compounds. Researchers have found that garlic can improve sleep quality in several ways. A 2019 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that garlic's antioxidants fight oxidative stress, which can disrupt sleep patterns. Reducing this stress helps stabilize your body's internal clock, leading to more restful nights. Garlic also helps with serotonin production, a key neurotransmitter that regulates sleep. So adding a little garlic to your evening meal could be a natural way to improve your sleep quality. Finally, garlic might even increase your sex drive. Eating garlic at night could do more than just spice up your dinner, it might also boost your libido. Garlic is rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds like quercetin, diallyl disulfide, and S-allylcysteine that improve blood circulation. Better circulation means increased blood flow, which is key for sexual arousal in both men and women. A study published in Food Frontiers in 2023 highlighted garlic's ability to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood, improving vascular health. This is important because good vascular health is essential for sexual function. Plus, garlic's role in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, as seen in research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2013, indirectly supports sexual health. By helping maintain a healthier cardiovascular system, garlic might just be an unexpected boost for your intimate moments. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about the best ways to consume garlic at night. To get the most health benefits, consider these tips. Raw garlic has more potent compounds like allicin. However, if raw garlic is too strong for you, lightly cooking it can make it more palatable while still retaining most of its benefits. It's generally recommended to eat 1 to 2 cloves of garlic per night. This amount is enough to provide health benefits without causing discomfort. Just don't overdo it, as too much garlic can upset your stomach. To release the most allicin, crush or chop the garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before eating. If you prefer a milder option, you can make garlic tea. Simply crush a clove of garlic, steep it in hot water, and drink it before bed. Eating garlic about 30 minutes before bedtime gives your body time to absorb its nutrients without disturbing your sleep. Pairing garlic with a small snack like crackers or yogurt can help prevent stomach discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. Regular consumption is key to getting the long-term benefits of garlic. If you're on medication or have a health condition, talk to your healthcare provider before adding garlic to your nightly routine. Remember, everyone reacts to garlic differently, so listen to your body and adjust as needed. Incorporating garlic into a balanced diet is a simple and natural way to support your overall health. So, we've explored the surprising benefits of garlic when eaten at night. From boosting your immune system to supporting your heart and even adding some excitement to your love life, it's clear that garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. Remember, moderation and consistency are key. And as always, balance is important for overall well-being. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the powerful benefits of garlic. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and secrets. Have any experiences with garlic at night? We'd love to hear from you. Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of natural health. Who knows what other secrets are hiding in your kitchen? Stay healthy, stay curious, and yes, keep enjoying that garlic.